say we see asamono aye critical. Mami ngege ano ode no reply abema aye so peni usu bempa ni alleged wife no. Eyi insama ngege so abeboro so enyasem ketwa. Na insam no yebebo the room ba me sure say ni dim. Obi mi subscribe to me abon na ewo nchen like video no so na bibia enye kama pa. So peni usu bempa ni alleged wife anasa na sorry ba chese busuan wo you kama mami ngege ko tena ne nchen no. Waba abonten aba beka nsem bi e de afa mami ngege ho a chese wo chirema mami ngege krambo police for ehwehwe no. Yes. Na nyoma bia mami ngege ka fa no ho no ni na aka ho bi ana ama chese wa report mami ngege e de ama UK police. UK police ehwehwe mami ngege dendenden ma chese nsem o kambro so de na enye nsem ketwa. Eno ana mami ngege ete ya ne koku apaya abusuan no so aba abonten na chese sidi wesi abetu bidia ma ne eye mami no. Anu odin papa na abusuan mami ni chirema Osi mami ngige nche bebo no ede no abagana. Yes, mami ngige ye no so ano. So ano chima, hwene mami ngige ambo so pedi usu pempe din biem. No boni din a mami ngige aso be hye e wo UK ho. Eno so mami ngige asa boye so pedi usu pempa ni full name. Chese nya asem bitu wa boni din na tu ase na punchlines watoto ede ama so pedi usu pempa ene eye ne alleged wife na abusua eni asem keto nya punchlines ketwa. Minkasa pe yemurum ni tie punches a mami ngege edaba ponche so peni usu bempa ene ne eye alleged wife na fe ye ba ye beto aso
abusia fo me tia mu nyina ajo I hope say obi anwo ye we dia me nkasa enche ma hu se James ebo voice bi na voice no ye me familiar kakra but because of say until say ni pakro na nkasa beba be bobo ni din no that voice ne say me crossing ni bia I think say what the UK, but say UK law ankasa any advice and ankasa ni UK left and right on him. Sometimes I am ya say obi betina social media say or you educated not UK no baba to UK mila ase no baba to police formula ase sabe me de nyankopon wase mami nkeke problem ami ko mu kakrai amama hunu eniema bi eni so ena me di kanka ese so twisi amimi ko mu no ema wo mo be mu no se that time me ni munyansa se ne me hunu nyansa ene ya enka obi ante masamo enka obi ante masem ba me denyankopon ase se ene enye easy say obi bete masem unim ababa wabi kasa wo born a voice me pesa me katen se kolomi ya UK ya se obi ni krata kwa no so be kwa ko adopt kana mai kura se obe she kana mai ana woni ba pokura na se onya kwenya ko adopt mpa ebi so onya kwenya kura so obe kwa ko ye adwuma sebe ye be ma ni krata ma odi akoye adwuma. Like a person me work unim they brought a lot of staff. Omo kabo omo trotro emails echo home office. Omo kabo omo trotro niama kesi call social services. And niama no se me na me dia ye no no. Eye wo mom na dia ye mi o. Na me say ye nyina ye sum nyankopon me si omo so baaburu mu a edane no me. Emma womo, omo bompaya edane no me ma womo. Adi biom be jino na so be tantro e de batani ama me meluku back. All they want to do is they wanted to paint me black. Say me yeni pabonini. Na mumu why empo ena wonu bi akodi ne nkomo kokromu nkomo. No better be sorry. Enya me ne wona e kontokwa. Me nka wa asem. Me nye weyi. Na be ye audio attracting. Mrs. Stay away from this. I am not talking about you. Me politics about teacher draw me kuku masem including Diania me bedi yenina and Dabonte. Let me deal with those people. No more attacking me no. But and then say papa say yemina me searching. Then you na searching na me dini wo mo me ni wo mo ko uko jina wo property and someone who bloggers ne kanu wo sabi akojina property. What the fuck? I am waiting patiently. na me ye ready man say nkurasefo ejimifo mo awe no mo enkwasiafo awe mo me ye ready man omo ache no they talk to say and come be to mama ka job you care we ye tuntum me ye tuntum we ye tuntum me ye tuntum you care ya man krata na udi money still ya do be coffee as a tuntum ya ngo ha na aya no mo tune say so we could you can krata and you can passport or not just an about where we are. There's a lot of people who are Ghana or must survive who was sick. A chain will be out to UK. Ababawa, one no posse, send me a woman boss. So when you Jimmy, you know, when you Jimmy, you know, Sabama, on Jimmy found you so off. No. So what Jimmy said, I don't know. I did not say, I know for no de Frau, Rebecca say, grant interview. You first break me privacy. And I want you one thing, come me, Sesua, ye. Quasia, and mammy me cancer mo. Jimmy for by, and mammy me cancer. Jimmy, me say, oh, so bampa, me won't give you. Wawusu bempa akwasi wusu bempa same se wo ya bema na wo se bi mi twa ro wo se pesina shawo bie eyi de so fa kamla to na se wo mawura wuye me se wo na ya pro wusu bempa me se ekuro da wo na ho wo na se titsuo James Benjamin Fiso.
Me you free so. Me you free so ba wo de eno no de jai ehun hia.
Me say owo so bempa. Ase bia me be gina public ka bia me do court wa. Me do court wa me timi ahwe. Owo so bempa. Oni wa timi 14 law team na e wo kromia. Some mix it up with me ya. E kwan ya me mo be fa so wo kromia. Mo mpe. Sa kwasi aba kwasi ni ba no oni me left and right wrong. Ah? Then you say children are not taught wrong. So what Jimmy already everyone was a similar baby and my report to the home office. Because I said no baby yellow, Medicare report to the home office. Because I want to ask home office if home always have something to do with me, my secretary mediti Colombia. Send me one lawyer. I did no fan come lawyer. And almost sending me email. What Mimi Krata now must say Colombia got to do with her? Is she an immigration officer? Is she my lawyer? And they don't contribute to Mimi Krata. Okay, number one, if these people don't know her, Home Office doesn't care. And plan and I got here. Papa Gege, a chap Papa Gege Kodio. Say if Home Office want to go that way, yeah. And your papa Gege mom lady kind up bobo. When the kind did it care. And some of me did the court here. But Home Office fucking don't care. My private matter. It doesn't got to do. And now for Jimmy Munue. What you want to let the call Home Office? Think it's a Home Office, you know. And if Papa couldn't make a mamma catch a Home Office in a goes. Dear Omo make a decision. Any Papa couldn't make a decision. Somewhere Jimmy. That's what my mom say. Home Office. Omo de Emla and they make a decision. If you Brunina what take Home Office and all the pain, sign on. So when you want, what they could see, only partner what take Home Office now, or make a decision. Say what's so big to Colombia, and what's that obi free Colombiano? One casa, Emla da home, so only more Jimmy Forba. Madam, you better won't say, well, my who here, Bremu. What now? What you letter? And I'm a copy here. And command social service. You know, ongoing. If immediators, in Zoom meeting. Sometimes she was there. The record is there. Kwasiaba who appear on Tay Crossini. Wo you do see it. Me be man na si kro we bet me the mess public. Who yale? What do you see it? Because of say, ono na ni America for me bi omu Ukwasiaba wo osofu eba wa brabom me ne wote wo na papa ka kire wo se osofu ne ba wa brabom oni ma nyina sei de bia wuti ni suo de bia wo sa wo ba we wuti ni suo hey madam media wo de fast line no a metete wo na mo se wo jimi na wo nsue nyansa na wan kai bibi kakra me nso maye e de bu a wo ma wo da amase Call me back, no one will hear you, Pao. Araba. I dare not contribute to Army Bowen check a dorsal. I tell you, who feels how I am, Amino. So what, Jimmy? Opa Sabaka one or two. Opa Sabaka one or two. Opa Sabaka one or two. Opa Sabaka to Quanawao. What ya ma papa ni pia mini woni tokwa ba chinchina pesa wo de wo ye tokwa and now wo ba be ka kire me se makotwantro e dia kire home office kwasia ba na wo ba be kire ba bia ni twantro kire home office na ka se krom ya home office o mo te se Ghana home office home office e be ko akwakoji enioma efi home social services any court Home office by investigation around you. Kwasiabae. Me masitina mediti wo kromiano. Do you know enklata e guswo? Who need police evidence? Police ya bami mi fie awomache. Wo asama esie I'm a police ababe busa bema. I'm a bema confirm me. I'm a maybe they watch the police for sa. I want maybe police record so. Police are advising me. Say I did not air cosu. If I have any family member around you, many woman casa. And until I may be better on some no. Some Jimmy. Me want me cram reference number against a DPS my problem. I will feel honor na me tie no. Anything about me life, no and trouble kukula anymore. Anything about my life and trouble kukula me.
Auntie Mama.
Only police witness statement. I cost you a court war. Was here to win a case against your ex about Oma. Anyone near my any band in Yamaniama, who can say, your mommy 28 days. Who can say, your mommy 28 days. And I am going to get 28 days. Do you have the letter? Do you have evidence I saw to you? Some catch us and make a certain number better than oh, Nipano, and it's not what you're true for because and so no about and Tima open up Amamo. Also, well, who may never be removed. The only thing I catch up on is said, because it's not my cost on the net also. I just need a support of money. Sika kurama engineer mami. Sika, my engineer mami. O catch them said, ex-wife of Capito, the ex-wife. O the woman January, now woman 2,000. O men in Amina Michelle woman to end a jelly woman to you. Jelly woman to a woman that is yes, your woman. And I can prove it to you to charge you. Malafaka. Oh, money 2,000 every month. Oh, yeah, was here every year today. No, me ever see kind of Sunday just shopping goofy. Say me, the Piaqua Bonte, Aqua Milk Cola, and the Babison Fridge Mamma will buy Chianuma. Mammy, Yami, Tiamuka, and I want Tiabon Tiamukum Massy. Osia, Metro Atali almost 120 million. And they say, Obama, they call wedding because not a person who you say, it will a what the fuck? We will receive to me everything I can prove it. And to what Jimmy Kaya Diakakra. Oh, Kaya Diakakra. Over almost 700 odd drop. And that's what 6 years here. Motherfucker. But in Yakupa was 7 million. my latest one, army team. Also, my baba for wardrobe, no. Almost getting to £700 wardrobe. And that's what secure. Also, my baba, baby. Me know we are not we. Madam, so we are crossing here, my can't send me children. So what go school now with him police formula? You care. Police, here you are, watch your man in keke. Police, any police need be a juma. Me pay you ke police kwasi bia wo sa oba wewe obekwa kwasi police ni bi wo UK kwasi bia ma ba manim unlawful way na ma chali damage ya Jessica somebody many bra bria wo de kwasi bi mla meti to this time around police ban no see the police cross wo hwehwe apana me committee crime me kodi yewo see me madam police ben out flare ne man me. Police station ben or what let me na me koni ho. Let me na me go police station ho. Let me see what.
Me wa ha mame.
What ha say?
Me wa mpacha no.
My email. My email at home office Enra. Because I want home office to show me a debit in a home office. I'm breaking me data. And when you're ready, as I'm no back, I know, Obaka Koya no at the home office. Now, once I'm ready, and dear Benty, and what is software, or sing any kunu, and yaneba, and dear Benty, what is software in the particulars. I could go home office for say, home office for ma, Papano and Krata. Mr. Me, Enra, ya email, many lawyers, and I don't know, ya just why your email. And ya call home office. Eti me try or china as watching so home office bet me my reply because so home office to me breaking me data and the command will be sent me my beton 20 one must send the letter for me home and the command third party I will sue home office me say press no na be nim left and right you say kwasi bia timi mu bibia ngum so and at this time me felisa me speaking up this time me felisa me friend penifo ati advice you can't say baba one so one kana ntum she don't know nothing on kana ntum no no ati one wo bre on kana ntum me say, I'm a police for no. Me number. Obia fremia, me number ko. I better the police for a flow over me. Police for a flame some makoto bomb. Mako kumobi. Mako tretu obi. Mako di obi. What? How can you lie? How can you lie against UK police? Oh, the updated I was all rubbish UK police. Huh? You know, baby, I'm a tear. For the details, my woman, UK police is somebody on your baby boko or Papa my dress so. Say, a woman, Tammy, only chance to be a poor me a crofana. And I'm a cotton a tool. And I'm a cocumipa. For one no puffo, no for chibimu. For one no puffo, the chibimu. Bear mamma went to me no woman, no papa in a hair. Who's the gun? I want to be called a bush of fear. Because Bema Bowadrin was Jews, sick dear, why you're faithful, no way you so sick, and you are shedding crop and in prayer towers, and the one go from say pin. As some have to work from your work area. Madam, why you liquor causes some comfort, do Makoye Juma? I'm a twatty. I'm a the UK abide is after you. Katina Bema now, oh, command on said, was similar powers here. Onya wa juma ma ekuro de kuni na ni nyina enwu obi a me se wonya wa juma na wo mu a emla na so mu wo kuro mi a ama ya tutu office mu ama wa juma nyina ba fam ho eno ensa sole mi ere one fan start o so mi ere me say me ne mo ba tia ya eni me put tomato bag no maboa no kakana ya diri kofie and then the grace me the grace bet na breaking me data to tell party tabla mo yale am pada for me a yale for social media hype ni social media pressure Any social media kakabensa and classic phobia tiamo and Jimmy phobia padia. No monkey can you make go. No one your blue or money said, and Jaya Gege Basia. What the fuck? Me true Ghana, me yes, can eat and some Cromia. Some winning one. The true Ghana meeting us started to buy Quaswa Quaba. Meeting us started to China Quasso. And Mammy Castle in Chinamo, Mother for Muntier. Mammy Gege Muntier me. Semi Kuru Crap came money in say, I buy Cracas me. Me couldn't fact me money in no immigration law. Wo Colombia. Ebeka say, me kuna jeme masu obeshe woman tea. Me ya family coffee. And get me immigration fraud. Because me mama tiasie. Because I did be see my pina bombiano. Me making police report. And the police if one by me fear, ye busa papano. Or confirming a deep is in my police case. So what are you people out here fucking talking about? Hey, madam, come on, look at your pass, so you don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. And I may say, and I police need buying or so offer me. Me person me who police in the club. Me person me who police in the club who watch me. Now the reason is saying or so what they me. Now I'm making any sense of reason. My children say, Colombia say, what the Colombia to you can switch me the Milana will on attack. I'm promoting. I'm promoting. Because you're classic where you call yourself educated. What do you people fucking know about the UK police law? And the police if what it and Kwasia. Who can the police if what men and what that? Abra you kukum conforma. Abra there's a lot of crime. Do you think the police will make me what I just said? Who was here pregnant at this what Jimmy for? Who are beginning me bonya yet? And the one thing good and must say, what a time to be bold your babbage. Who need for the Charles in the war? Would you say, make the tamo? Make your woman, Mamunina. Make your woman, as a Samunina, Monsen. Kwasia, you breaking obi health issue. You breaking obi kula data protection. Oba fee. Woba fee. And how about the breaking me social media protection? Me pesa wachiba. Na kamachire unyansa kakrebi. Me pesa kawode wo court on sem ne basay. Na kamas me the court grata asem no slap wode wo Jimmy fuo mutim ne wo krom yen. See me. Owusu bempa. Ujina puppet ne subo miti. Ujina media subo miti. Baby owusu bempa be jina bo miti. Biano. Me boniti an responde. Tiawa. James.
No, matter.
UK police on your leg, you must have. Why?
Matter, man.
Police need you or she shall be piano. One bra or court system in the swan. My dress, our system in the show. Obey Yaba. Many criminal, mental drugs. Now, a bit Piala was in me, my coach control at the actual home office. Home office, or many damp. Why? Home office, me quatia, my codie. And it me could check out or codie. It got nothing to do home office. The one thing home office is care. And in the Yoma, and it said, so pass it to the Chromia. Or document what they back safely GP, safely police, safely home social services, safely baby, and your genuine, and no corner home office was and they are fact. Ethic, me, and one free social service be come on me. A baba one way, and me, yeah, Emma Nepa, throw email copy, and the year every concern against me. With him, as I copy, the previous cases, I mean, when you know the car home. Because also my father said that he said, I'm trying to pull him in. Do I look like somebody you motherfuckers can pull me down? You people don't fucking fear me. Me say me, I didn't be able to make in a court. I will prove to you. I am not come on social media to tarnish anybody's image. Also, me say, a clock a that one now.
So abusuan semi ani akwakotie di aba na wo share the way mami gesi hit no ya otimu se we hit ya mana boro so wabodi no se akwasi ogusu beba yes nese oka amobi ehu se enya ade osuro so bebo eyeso pene osu bempadin because ohun ne se so pene osu bempa abonidin na de aka asem ti onso obonidin no din na no wate ase a je so chima voices na ebeto mbonte so no voice no any familiar yes any family wate ase just a voice no ese obi voice ma no na o twen se nipa na nkasa ba bonta be bonidin wate ase ono no mpeso bebo nipa kodin na punches de wa to be ene de ama yeso pene usu bimpani alleged wife anasa na asore be a je se enya punchlines keto wo say onya criminal ti UK police ni bia wo pese wo ba ne ho bia no wo na address e wo system no mu mo hwehwe na mo fa eye mo report anasa de mo pese mo de ba bia mo fa mbra ye ne fie so anachi so be to me for unlawful way bia e fa mambeche no enye sa party a damage obi twankrofo e wo UK ho no enyasem keto wa set trap e de amasa nkrofo na so pele usu bempa ne alleged wife na tina omo meka ka huni na no wose wa setting homa bi pa toto ho a omunim na kire omo nan tumo de bedi omo no enyasem keto busua kire wadwen e wo comment section ho na bibia enye kama pa aha eye insight GH ne de mi subscribe to no ni mi abona e wo nchen like video no so na bibia enye kama aha ana busua mde wosi makra